So we're gonna turn to bacon?
Oh my god.
Oh my god! What the fuck is wrong with your story?
Oh my god! How lovely. Oh, I did write you in.
Certainly unexpected.
Okay, motherfucker.
No, am I? Yes. Calm down. We're just pigs. Just pigs. Just
Clearly this is Kyle.
Actually.
Oh yeah, you're right, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Kyle and Chris.
There we go, yeah.
Pig and Porky.
Hey, you wanna play CSGO?
Oh, what the fuck?
You'll warm up
What?
to your super pig powers
You
in
would
no
write this.
time.
Do you see what I'm doing over here?
That's fire, dude!
Magical rainbow farts are truly the best farts. Boing boing, hoo-hoo!
Oh, that's how I... Okay.
I think you gotta do something at this part because I can't go that high.
Oh, oh.
I don't think so.
I truly have no idea what I'm doing over here.
I think we're trying to go forward, right? Maybe?
Oh, we're just going this way?
I believe so. Oh, that's how I get over, okay. Like I say, I'm enjoying my magical power a lot more than I think you're enjoying
Oh,
yours.
yeah, absolutely, yeah.
I want apples.
Right, the door wants apples. Let's find them. Got an apple?
Ah, found my apple.
Praise be the holy strawberry.
I'll just wait here for you, I guess.
Woo, found an apple.
It looks eerily familiar.
What the fuck? Why is Strawberry wearing a G-string?
I don't know, but I'm kind of turned on.
Fucking insane, bro.
Snack is served.
Delicious apples. Thank you.
This side story is wild.
This is
Zoe.
sick.
Oh, relax, city girl. Have fun. Get muddy.
I'm
Damn, there you are.
Dude, you literally have the ass end of a pig over here, and it's toxic clouds.
Yeah, man. It's called world building.
Gotta love a pig spa.
Look at that, pigs are flying. Oh, I see.
What the fuck are we supposed to be doing?
There's an apple up here for me, so I gotta wait for one of these bubbles to
Oh,
come
there's
back,
an apple
because
for me.
someone popped them all. So,
Oh yeah, someone. Definitely.
yeah.
Apple here. Another apple.
Your ability's way better.
It's so great.
Chew on
I'm glad you wrote me
these
into the story this way.
Yeah.
I do love me some apples.
He's a
This
magical
might actually
farting
be
pig.
the first idea for a story I ever wrote down as a kid.
So you're a country gal?
Yep, from head to toe. Or, I mean, from snout to hoof.
Aww. There's Donnie. I bought him in. Oh. No, there's Donnie.
There's Donnie.
Feed me.
Oh, man.
Oh my god.
I don't remember writing this.
That's dark.
That's dark.
Gotta say, I don't remember writing that part.
And this one's got a fucking marshmallow waiting.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Oh.
Alright, we gotta get a little more oomph on that drop. Man. Almost. Almost. Can you just do your ability while standing still?
Yeah.
And let go?
Oh, I'm fucking... Oh, oh no. Yeah.
Yeah.
Jeez, man. Oh.
Oh, just missed
Oh, 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 oh,
it. Don't even.
oh, oh.
Rainbow power.
Jeez.
I had to tell you how your own fucking power works.
We're so smart.
We're the brightest.
I figured that out, obviously.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just wait for
Fancy
you.
some apples, good sir.
I do. How did you know I love apples?
Dude, these guys over here trying to build houses, and they all just got blown down.
Mm-hmm.
I see where we're supposed to go.
It's a very original story. Ah. Oh my
You're
goodness.
fucked. Got a trophy for that.
No.
That
I'm
farting force.
Sorry. Can't believe I'm saying this, but this is kind of cozy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh.
I wrote it.
Came out glorious.
I'm a fantastic writer.
Okay, I mean, you're doing okay. You wrote a big enough fart flies.
Exactly.
Broccoli rules.
Nothing's better than homegrown vegetables.
Are you ready to go on a fucking adventure?
I absolutely am. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. Oh,
I think I could get used to being a pig, actually.
Jump!
Enjoy it while
Wow.
it lasts.
Yeah, go slide.
Yep, here we go.
Is we're gonna turn to bacon?
oh my god!
Oh my god! What the fuck is wrong with your
Oh
story?
my god! no fucking...
You fucking kidding me?
What? Oh God. I know. Let's just end this.
Oh, you wanna get some mustard on you?
Oh, fucking mustard me up so good. 1 second.
That's all you. You know what? Yeah, there you go.
I got you, I got you.
Oh, beautiful. If only we could have some relish.
Let's get in some buns, though.
Wait,
Oh,
I am
fuck.
totally undercooked.
Oh, that's right. I gotta be cooked first.
Gotta
We gotta cook ourselves.
Well, no backing down now. Let's grill ourselves.
Hey, Cam.
cook up. Yeah.
This game is fire. Get it?
Oh, I got it.
Ah, hot.
Oh.
Oh, kind of nice, but
We're gonna have to reapply.
Yep.
Oh!
I'm beautiful.
Perfect grill marks.
Oh, that is gorgeous. Almost painted on grill.
Look at that. Oh, I guess I'll stop first. You... Wait, I need ketchup?
Boom.
In reality, I would kill someone if they put ketchup on my hot dog, but, you know.
Interesting.
I can't stand
Now, I
ketchup
would
in
give
most
myself the
situations.
Mwah.
Mmm. Slot right in that bun.
Hey,
Fuck yeah.
Wait.
Swallow me.
no, 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 no.
Amazing.
That was a lovely little jaunt.
For real, Zoe? Like I said, I wrote it when I was a kid. What sort of devil child were you?
I guess there's no easy way to tell a kid how sausages are made.
That shit was traumatic.
But then imagine how a 7-year-old Zoe took it.
Let's move on. I don't want to talk about it anymore.
I agree.
Honestly, best part of this game right now.
Apart from
Yeah, for
being
real.
a bit
That was
disturbing.
great.
That was fantastic.
That
Oh,
idea got removed.
look at us fucking go.
So in order
Okay.
to save the factory,
Ow! Fuck! Oh! Uncalled for.
You have no honor.
Jin Shaka.
Genzakai. See you at the end. Oh, I'm gonna be fighting some fools. You get here whenever you're ready. God, about time you got here. Fucking hell. Oh, excuse me. God, you suck at this. I've learned your moves.
Oh no.
Oh. If only there was someone who could help you out with that. Oh, I cannot touch that.
Huh. Oh, like launching shit at? Oh, you're done, Dumbo. Oh my god. What am I supposed to be doing here? Okay.
Just shoot him up here and I'll jump on him.
Oh, okay.
There's only so many you can stick over here. Yeah, they're on a timer.
Okay.
There we go. Really, really poorly done, but I figured it out.
I don't care.
Okay, move on. You can't hit me with that. I'll even stand still. It hit me. God, you suck.
Your time now.
You have to wait for the fucking game. These platforms move, so try not to be so poor on your aim.
Oh, probably this enemies. Oh. Whoa. Anytime
Keep
now.
swinging, keep swinging.
God, I'm the
You're what? God, you are what? Wow, that was a good shot! That was
nice.
point blank, so you know you get it.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh yeah, I truly feel blessed.
Okay, let the big boys go first here, Chief.
Check out that
You're
tower.
a big boy.
That's where we're headed.
Okay, do you really want to go there?
Yeah, Tubbs.
Need to reach the top floor.
Okay. I can't go there. It's even too mean. I don't even. Not on video.
Oh shit, where am I supposed to go? Oh, I see.
Oh, where are we supposed to go? Get your fat ass on that and let's go.
Thank you. God.
Enforcers incoming!
Jeez, trying to censor
I'm gonna be up here
himself.
fighting again. Without you.
Stop shooting at me! Try me! Like the Black Mamba.
It's fun.
This is fun.
Okay, let's grab some wheels.
When did we fuck?
Has that not been what we've been doing already?
What are you poor souls even trying to achieve here?
Major spoilers, douchebag. We're killing you at the end.
Oh, that's cute. And then what? We always find a way to get our repayment.
I don't like this version of Cortana.
Not my favorite.
The inspiration behind
I prefer Halo 4.
Now, Zoe.
It's time to settle the score.
I'm a Halo 2 remastered for that.
Okay.
Whoa, okay. That's a lot bigger than I remember writing it.
You have unpaid parking tickets. Time to die.
Of course you have unpaid parking tickets.
What's that supposed to mean?
Your corpses will be subject to towing.
I don't know what you're talking about.
So now we owe this boss lady parking tickets as well?
Yeah,
A fucking move, bitch! Oh no.
It's okay, I'll take us to the end. You just, I don't know, try and look pretty or something.
You include this? It's your story, Mio. I don't know.
Oh, fuck.
Are you happy when you get hit with a ticket? No, but this is a bit extreme.
My garage, my rules.
Can you pick up the pace? I'm running out of screen here.
Ah, I'm getting there.
Frustration with the world.
Without hurt.
Like you said earlier, I'm not a cardio guy.
Trust me, I know.
Oh, see? Now I'm ahead, dumbass.
For now.
Nope, still ahead, idiot.
Look who's ahead now, fucker.
Oh, still me, dumbass.
I'm fucking stuck.
Take your
in the
time!
game.
Take your time, buddy!
Game fucking froze me. That's bullshit. The game yeah,
Yep, an eye for an eye.
Wouldn't it just be easier to pay them and move on?
Never. Tonight we liberate the city from parking attendants.
I feel like you're really focused on me right now. Oh my god.
How do we fight back? Just have some patience.
Oh dear, accidents happen so easily. Or accidents happen daily.
This is a bit over the top.
Ow.
It is time you took me seriously.
I didn't get the puns.
Ooh, get it.
Vehicle violence.
Got time.
Stop resisting. Start dying, please.
There's the thing. I don't know what I'm supposed
Do
to be
your
going
goddamn
for right
job.
now. I don't know what I'm going for right now. There's nothing out here.
Zoe, try to hit the eye.
Do you like motor bikes?
My blade will end you.
Looks like, there's something on this eye that I throw at it, and then you can hit them. Okay.
Alright, cool. I'm a little disoriented. I don't know where his fucking
Oh
eye
no,
is
I
right
have
now.
died. Another one. There's another one. Ow! There's another one. Don't worry, I'll catch you.
Vengeance is awesome.
I'm throwing you under the bus.
Jeez.
These puns are fantastic, man. Oh. I timed it wrong.
You're deflated.
Sean, that was all your fault.
Okay.
Throwing you under the bus.
See, that was easy.
Yeah.
Do you like motor bikes?
Oop. Notches. Honestly, with your driving, this is the worst.
Oh my god. These are from parking tickets.
Yeah. Still.
That's not driving, that's parking.
Nah, but the wrecked cars had to get inspection. Get there, boy!
some
Get there, boy!
You're here fucking distracting me trying to talk shit.
I am not a parking zone.
Hey, let me know when you're doing your job.
Fuck! I have no job, I don't think.
Of course you have a job. I can't do anything up here.
Here comes my job! Oh no. Here comes my job! Bam! Here's more job! I missed that one.
There you got it. You're a little bit late, but... Oh, I can go inside now.
Got time to find
This
it.
in your face.
I'm out here fighting for my life.
Rip shit out.
Rip what out? Oh, I see. I'm ripping.
I got it.
I can only mash Y for so long, as rapidly as I can. Another one coming.
Fingers do get tired pretty quick.
Right here.
Another one.
Give me that. Got it.
Like pulling carrots.
Another one. Oh, my forearm must be strong.
Got it.
I'm on it.
Oh, right in the nick of time.
Only chaos.
See how I beat the Didac there?
What's it doing?
I am the Master Chief.
Oh my goodness.
You will respect my parking regulations.
What are you now? Oh, okay.
Don't throw it at me, you dickhead.
I didn't mean to!
Jesus fucking Christ. Back to back.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we can take 2 hits, and both the hits I just took were from you throwing the shields.
Can't get a clean hit.
Alright. I'm holding it down. Get it. Oh my god. Swinging at the air.
What breathing form is this, Donnie?
Payment declined.
Oh, I just threw my controller. Fuck.
Ninjas on a stealth mission? We sure cause a lot of explosions.
Oh, shit, that's good.
And it's gonna get worse.
Why am I not surprised?
Next up, those guys.
The police.
When do we get into, like, a
Don't
good,
worry. I
nice
got a getaway car.
Are there
fantasy
even any
story?
cars left?
I don't know when they become relevant.
Take the wheel.
When do
All
we
right,
get
John,
into
John.
Wizards and
Flying
Warlocks?
is not going
Okay,
below
you're
our
driving
level.
now, so
Oh, I can finally teach you how it's done.
yeah, and I can do best shooting shit. Hear that? Keep her steady. I have the highest expectations of you here.
As you should. You are a passenger princess after all.
Okay.
There you go. Good job.
Instructions, please. It's an automatic, Zoe. Just floor it.
Oh my
It's a
god.
reload.
Some floating objects up ahead, Mio. They're mine. I'll clear them.
Any day. Ooh, fuck.
Any day, like
I'm
I'm not
taking the
already
blue one.
doing it.
Wait, those mine. What do I do? Just stay on the road. That is the road.
Golly. Gotta dodge him because you can't shoot him.
I have to reload this gun.
Excuses, excuses.
I have 100% accuracy right now.
Oh, okay, sure. Sure thing about that.
What I'm doing is envious. Okay.
Change that.
Not sign up for this.
You're doing a damn fine job, actually.
Woo! Oh shit!
Clear those mines.
Shoot head.
Oh, I can't do this. I'm gonna close my eyes. Don't.
Oh, you should not be closing your eyes. Oh, you've never seen something so great. Okay, I do not know what we were supposed to do there.
It was great, though.
Never seen something so great. Immediately dead.
Don't. Believe in yourself.
Alright, let's figure this out together.
I believe in you. No, there it is. The light bridge.
Ah, aha, yes. Got it.